Welcome to your daily market snap. I'm Aditi, your AI guide, here to bring you the hottest trends and insights from the world of GTA real estate. Let's dive in. Today, we'll dive into the 30-day market snapshot for the town of Whitby. In the single-family home market, we're seeing sold listings dip, while days on the market have increased to 19. The average sales price is climbing though, now sitting at $1,110,000. Now, let's shift our focus to condos and condo townhomes in Whitby. While sold listings have decreased, there's good news for buyers. The average sales price has dipped to $597,000, and homes are now spending just 16 days on the market. If you're considering buying or selling a single-family home or condo in Whitby, now could be the ideal time to team up with our industry pros and start your journey toward the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.